Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. As Rakshabandhan is around the corner, so I thought to make these cute gifts which you can give to your brother and he will definitely love it. First, I recreate one of our childhood memories in this 3D card or wall hanging. Second is this cute brother sister keychain, and these are super easy to make at last minute of festival. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. First, I am making a 3D card or wall hanging. For that, I have taken a canvas in 6 by 5 inches. You can also use cardboard instead of canvas. Here I am making a freehand rough sketch. You can easily make such sketches using a carbon paper. For giving 3D effect, I am using homemade cold porcelain clay. You can also use Fevicryl air dry clay. So I am taking small portions of clay and sticking on the portions I want to highlight. Now I am using a ball stylus tool to make some texture on the tree. You can also use pen instead of this tool. And this completes our clay work, and we let it dry for 24 hours. And after 24 hours it is ready for painting, and we paint it using acrylic color. You can choose any color of your choice and you just have to go with the flow and complete the painting. After completing the painting part, I am only outlining the characters in the picture using a marker. Adding some more details. And at last, I am sticking a thread using white glue to complete the swing. And this completes our 3D card. For making brother sister keychain, I am using colored clay. So I am coloring my clay using acrylic color. In this way I create color clay in different colors. Now I am using a paper to make heart, and then I use this heart as a stencil to make perfect heart out of clay. The similar way I am using paper to cut heart into parts. Now I am using different colored clay to make brother and sister on heart, like so. Now using a marker to complete the face. Since brother is wearing a Rakhi, so using a golden chain and stone to make Rakhi. Now making holes to attach chain to our cute heart and let it dry for 24 hours. And this completes our project. I hope you guys love this cute gift ideas. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.